Kani kedai bati CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni melawan Rashapi daga BDW International School Shillong, day boarding and daycare. Admissions open. Ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan Lum Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
What happened ke jing kon persya na ke jing pusat ke kelam COVID khat kendai. Bat bahapan buat nanti kat kum ki kendon bala buat sarkar ban sim kita kilat jing da ban lat na ke jing ebet ke kelam COVID khat kendai na ke liang ke office u district school officer ribhoi. Menta ke sengi ke santrik unai luar arajar arpho kila pelong ke jing rakhie ke sengi kerpang kinoi kai ni ke teachers day hadian bala yok bor na ke office ke deputy commissioner ke ribhoi district bala betha ban pelong ini ke jing rakhie kat kum ki kendon bala buat sarkar. Yakni jing rakhie yakni ke sengi kerpang kinoi kai la pelong ha ke conference hall ke office district school education officer ke ribhoi district bala wan chimenta ru tang daki katu kat ingot ki officer bat kenthop tang kitu kinoi kai ki bayok pedang ke khusnam district award bala jet lingba khatnat puli puthi ke sarkar jilla u MLA kanong po constituency ba Merrill Bonds em ulawan bania don lang kum u kongsan bat ke deputy commissioner ke ribhoi district ke kong RM kurba kum ka sembut kongsan la sakilang ru ikni kesengi daka jinga don lang ki officer bakan thop yo ba vi nyang lang additional subdivisional school education officer bat ki ki officer ki noi kai blayok pedang ya khusna merengkat ki sernot ki kenthop ya uba TP Timung principal ke Umroy Presbyterian High Secondary School haka secondary level ke kong Tersawar assistant teacher ke Alpha English Secondary School haka upper primary level bat ke kong Bayar Lin Nongrang head teacher ke UCC LP School Yam Kwan haka lower primary level ki noi kai blayok pedang khusna best scouts and guides ki kenthop yoba Boniface Kimdeng assistant teacher ke Saint Paul High Secondary School Nongpo kum best scout master bat ke kong WK Bla principal ke Alpha High Secondary School Nongpo kum ke best guide captain.
As we know, being a teacher is very challenging. This remind me when I first joined to be a teacher. I had to take subject social studies 9 and 10. Not only that, English 9 and 10 is not my subject. And health education from class 5 to class 7. There is no period. That the first 5 years it happened to me. And it is a very challenges how to impart education to the children. And we cannot produce good students because of this system. And after last 10 years, I remember that there is slight change in the system of education. So for the benefit of all the students, we try to allot subject as per the capability, capacity and the right teacher to the right subject. And as you have seen today, the school that I represent, Umroy Christian School, we are very lucky to have the school under NDP project, and we have all the facilities. Thank for Sir Nampat and also the DC for initiative to complete this project. And I want to say in passing a little bit about the education that we had suffered in our state. Kumuong mene ke education haka state ni kadai gawai kaba kumbinai kai bidan haka challenges tas. Kamdai shu kumba mencuba kumbingi kajing kai kawai beri haki sausan keting subject. And then getting time mata like one subject and we have to specialize that subject. We need trained teachers. We need teachers who sacrifice their service for the benefit of the student. Kawai kebapan long ini bangin the challenges kena kai kamdai tang bangin kai lagi bakin tip ya ka got complete the syllabus. We teach them the quality of life. We teach them how to live in the society, moral, valued. Iko aban produce ke challenges ani kumbangan pengkemal di hagipod komersial kubanong ile principal jangan mungkin di siang bagi school jadi mulai gede dustbin school. I take that challenge still today. Hardly will found 2 or 3 students pass in the matric exam from 20-25 students. Then the last 15 years, the result is very good, maybe 90, 95, 100%. And this, from the Dustbin School, we as a teacher, we sit together and plan. We want to make the school as a manufacturing school, not a dustbin school.
Ngaso buram sibun baniang hagani ke platform hagani ke board rengkat bagi ki sanu ki baladan sibun ka benta ban contribute na ka benta ka bahagam yak ki ulang salam samtam ki nong hikai iba pen sekampung ila keren kum nong hikai bodan bijin diklik kum principal ki experiences ki sham ki babun ki yak lenti lewat apa dan ki babun ki long kai ki cem na thau yi te ki duna ki babun ki badan beri ki ai yang sakri ki pelut ki por ki ki naga bentang ban ai ki sembok perhat ki bakordor agi jabing ki jemut ki perhat jom ki kena school ki ki jongi ki balong balawi naga bentang ki por ki ban nasong sarong hagani ko por banyen hagani ki jaka banyo hagani kala ban pendon buruk ki namar bangitip ka profession kum kinong hikai kadi ka profession ka badan buruk but hagajing yagan ti gajungi hagani ka ri ka bigi nasong pen bagi bagidan sibun ki riuran ba kinong kemi ki ba proudly ki ong ba ka hobi gajungi kale ka moto gajungi kalong badlong kinong kai habangala ia ki bukum kita ka perlu mensim ya bak nasong buram sibun ya ka perkat ka bagi hidup balik ngekran ia kani nyelap hagi babun ki platform hagi juyok bani kendu na persang ban keli ya ki kun samna kai ka moto ka dong ki kwa manlong ayu abala categorize hai kita ngi syamba ka percentage dong ki kwa manlong kai ka guna ta ba ni decision idon ya tangan kita dari bun ki baong ba ki kwa manlong IS, kuat menolong MCS, kuat menolong doktor, kuat menolong engineer, kuat menolong businessman, kuat menolong politician. Kita sibun di profession kita. Kendali dalam perkat ia kalau ini kathme, jong galong beriu man beriu jong ini nang di start. Agar mereka beri jong ini, kinong ikai, kinong kibadang kang, kibolong, pillars, kirishot, kibaskem. Na ko benta ri ki jai pendriu ki dingnang ki ding start ki ba ai ki nang ding start ki kun ki sil ki para ki persa ki bahing ki sem ki demi ki semua buram sebut na kaliang tengah ngasali ya ki nang kai ki ba ki demi kan ha kan ri pat harta percaya ba
kino kai ki nang sisa ki backbone la ne ki in kun ki ba ingot long jadi ki ba halo jengki ni kan mission dan negeri ke yang skem jadi namda jengki bagi long kini boleh kan itu dan but ke future jeng bun ki kena ru ke syong ki dan kata-kata ke jinglong nong kai kalau ke responsibility dan ke jingba ki ke kia ha but ni net but tip baru bagi nong kai ki long philosopher kata dalam bayi ladi kita ban kuliah ban buat syuk ia jengtip nang tak pada deklatif nang guide ia jeng ini kena kibarat kibawan syaki bersaniat terlihat pi harga jeng nang bom tip kibawan syaki ban buat jengtip terkait ke responsibility ke bakrau bah ke pelong iki bah ki pinang buat jengtip nang bakilaan ada jengtip ke bangsa ia ki student ki jongpi kabakat do kabang ni semua ni sim na iba bi orang pertai kalong pertai kaba nang ya cuma ni jenis ni kebuan kemudian kamru paralog te bon sen nakalian kami pa ni bon nang ba tre ki kam ko per bon sen nimdan ba ki ko ki joni te shani atli ha ki nong kai ban yalang nanti ban betul nanti ki ko ki joni ban ni kermen ba nakling jong ki ru ni dan kata kamen sen kai ba kam te tang ka ba ki tre tang nong kai de ka social responsibility ka jong ki bagi dewan ai dalam nanti nama apa borok kita nak kita beri sik be be ini kita nak kai mukung kita